guys, it's Lucas from No Noobs here, and today we're going to be talking to you about atomic models. Now, I'm doing this presentation with Ryan and Connor, so let's get started. Our first model is the Greek model. Here we have Democritus, who stated that matter cannot be divided forever, and this model was ignored for about 2,000 years. And he said the smallest thing at the time was an atom, and actually he is correct. The smallest thing in the world is an atom. So, good job, Democritus. Dalton's model stated that about the law of conservation of matter, and that elements and atoms both have different masses. Also, that all matter is made of atoms. Atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Atoms are not destroyed during chemical reactions, they're just rearranged a bit. Compounds are formed by a combination of two more different kinds of atoms.
Thomson's model. Thomson stated that atoms are uniform spheres of positively charged matter in which electrons are embedded, which is known as the plum pudding model, which had to be abandoned in 1911. Atoms are also natural in Thomson's model, and they had to have positive charges. And atoms carry no charges, but...
he made a mistake. Okay, let's go. Rutherford and the nucleus. Rutherford proved that Thomson's model was wrong. He is the scientist who named the protons. Rutherford was a student of the scientist who came up with the previous atomic model. Rutherford has an element named after him in his honor. It's number 104, Rutherfordium. His model symbolized electrons orbiting the sun, and this symbol is used by many organizations. So here on the outer ring we have little to no mass, and then in the inside by the nucleus we have most of the mass, and then again protons are in there.
Bohr's model. Bohr started research for his atomic model in the year of 1911, the same year as the plum pudding model had to be shut down. He received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1922. He was invited by Rutherford to study at Victoria University of Manchester to continue his study of atoms. He suggested that electrons move in specific orbit around the nucleus. He was born and died in Copenhagen, Denmark. So Bohr's model, the nucleus is in the center with the protons, and there's also electrons in the rings. But at the time, he did not have neutrons in the nucleus. It was only protons.
And here we go.
The electron cloud. The electron cloud is a space where electrons are found. Electrons spin around the nucleus billions of times in 1 second. They don't move in random patterns. They move in specific patterns. The location of the electron depends on the energy level. The electron gives the cloud its charge.
So, again, little to no mass on these outer rings.
Most of the energy is on the outside, while on the inside there is little because it's near the nucleus.
And again, we still have protons in there, along with the nucleus.
Modern atomic model. The that shows the mass of a proton. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered another part in the nucleus. He discovered that it had no electrical charge. It was called the neutron. The nucleus of an atom contains both protons and neutrons.
So, in this model, they now found that there's both protons and neutrons. So now we're more modern, as stated, modern atomic model. And again, least is on the inside, most is on the outside, along with the nucleus, protons, and neutrons. And that is the end of our presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, maybe comment. Tell me if you know any stuff about this that we didn't mention. And I will see you guys in the next video.